What's up, everybody? How on a day? How they go? How they be? When I know the station on a day, so yes, it's that lit channel where you say they get all the lit trending, the correct gist, gossip, and all the things where you say they happen for our Bodo Nigeria, for your street, for there, so for Africa, for all over the world. Yes, I want to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location, where you say you watch me from. Yes, I say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location, where you say you watch me from. Make I quick take this time to greet all my #1 subscribers from the very beginning, from 1 to 74 subscribers. So if you say I don't get today, wow, 1 to 74 subscribers, that is a very big miracle. And I want to thank all of you, not by my power, not by my mind, it's by the Spirit of God leading you people. I just want to say a very big thank you to all of you. I appreciate all of you. Now, will be say the comments of the video as well. People will be say they like the video, people will be say they share the video, people will be say they dislike the video too. Correct all of you, the trial of you, the trial. Kudos to all of you. I just want to say God will bless you now in Jesus' name.
Before we go on, like this video, smash the subscribe button and click the notification bell right now, or this centipede will crawl on your face when you're sleeping. Now it's time for the star topic.
So much time, yes, without still so much time, I could jump into this story today. Let's probably we miss road or like motor we say don't miss road. Anyone we talking about, guess what? When the right track, despite all the missing road, we say the yes I talking about right now. Yes, it gets so many G's we jump into my studio today, and I know guys neglect. I'm not verse yesterday, so I know if you can't do video. I know they around at all yesterday, so I know coffee do video. I know one call the JJ location. Move at least they use this our cutting and our AC first. Yes, the matter. So my question on this video will be saying, so I can't gather the news. Some of the news I want to talk more than yesterday news, but it's still there updated. I feel bring, I feel not bring, but meanwhile I must start. So my question on this video about one woman will be say they can't spray for marriage. This is my tired face like this. If I just my face too even myself, this is my tight face like say now better she did do people they do better for all bad they smell past her. Meanwhile, I don't go talk too much. I want to show now the video because it's surprise, not because the husband they say that because they say woman's kiss face, woman refuses to smell because her husband was praying her naira on marriage. Whoa. But I want the video, me not fit talk. You go squeeze face. Why on it? Is it that you don't like the man, be you don't like the money where they spray you? Man, give me money, me they find money. I dey find money. Man, give me money. I dey look for the person who will come one day. That little channel, send your account number. I want to give you 5,000. I want not to use again. I go gladly sing. If I look like this, I will smile. I don't want to show my teeth here because when I'm like I advertise empty out my yellow teeth. Yes, but he said there, I appreciate the little thing. Even Bible talk and say, they that are faithful in little shall be faithful in much. I don't understand, I don't feel the thing that I see and say, me myself I tire. Man, it be like saying to go join BB Nigeria. Which day for year, the buy house also. They fit buy motor for Negi that time. Then they come buy house for also a fans. So now fans they do all this one. Wetin come happen again yesterday? We see some of una fit don hear they come still go buy a Prado Jeep worth over 20 million naira. Me no want to talk too much when I watch the video.
Hey! Odogu! Odogu!
Wow. Big congrats to also Man, you made it, bro. You made it. You brought the heart of France. Yes. Yes, yeah, 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 you did. Even people will be say win the BBN itself. I never really see say France do all this kind of thing for them. Now those one, blessed this one are consolation gifts. Maybe all those guys, but I'm not sure. Also, it's not complaining. Before we go to our third news, I want to just say congratulations to our Nigerian people wey be say go Tokyo for this 2020 Tokyo Olympic. See, Nigeria finishes 74th at Tokyo Olympics, 8th best from Africa, 74 position now they carry for the whole world. I don't know how many countries really go for the Olympic shot, but if I thought they try, they say the games which began on July 23rd had ended on Sunday, had 93 of the 260 participating teams, which makes it to the medal table. Wow. Nigeria will carry 75 of 206. That's a pass now. Not pass. Therefore, Africa will carry 8. That's a pass. It's a pass. They try. Kudos to them. I want to ask this question as I enter my fourth news now. I want to ask this question. MERMAID na real, not be say like really. They see like with phone camera, all those kind of things. Wanna let me know? I don't know, but this news just enter my table and from a very very right source, leader IKG for Instagram. In case you need any news, we will not know. You can contact me for my Instagram, my Twitter below, or my email. Will be say there below there. I will give you a gist, or in case you want give me gist, maybe say you want more talk about. Still contact me. We'll confirm the gist. Then we'll give them better and you know they understand. They say Brits battling flood spot MERMAID going for a swim. Heavy rain in the UK has caused many streets to be flooded as drainage systems struggle to cope as residents try to deal with the flood. One Glasgow resident, who is currently unable to leave his flat, spotted a dramatic sight that he captured and shed a light. Wow. Like unreal. They say Gavin Milao, who snapped the photos, was looking out of his top floor apartment in a flat in Battlefield Gardens on the south side of the city when he saw a MERMAID swim past his window yesterday, August 7th. Wow. And so the rainwater has turned his street into more of a canal when he spotted a woman wearing a MERMAID outfit attempting to swim in the flood water. However, people are convinced the MERMAID is just a woman doing the photo shoot. It may be, it may also not be. Make a quick jump better to Baby Naija. This one about Baby Naija and politics mixed together. I know say like day before yesterday where I do my last video. I not do video yesterday. I say I'm not there around. The day before yesterday where I do my last video, not some people they protest saying the federal government stop Baby Naija, but that's not the news actually. So I don't really know why they do that one, but that's not the news now. The news now is that Kidwaya they beg on Mona not they call him Mama Kidwaya again. He's so ancient. I'm saying about Tino. He dey ancient, like olden days, mama this person, mama that one. So he can't talk for a Twitter, see how today. I ain't talk now. He say okay, dear Nigerians blog, media news, that's on slash. He say my mother has a name. Her name is Susan Ngovere Wire, and not Kidwaya's mom. And if elected, Shambona the contest for governorship election for their state for East. He said if elected, she would be the second female governor in Nigeria's history. So please put some respect on her name and more respect on our females. Thank you. Yes, you see somebody as I just her professionally. It's not that she will be a governor now. Paraventure, you start calling her Mama Kidwaya. Call her Susanna. Call her Suzanne. If you can't call her language name, just as I couldn't call her language name, where they call Ungu Vere Wire. Just call her Susan Wire. She will answer. Susan, she will answer. Miss Wire, Mrs. Wire rather, she will answer. Not Mama Kid Wire. Is it not long in your ears? What the hell? I never talked down about Mama Kid Wire and Kid Wire finish. Then this you claim new president. Wait till talk. He say, I really don't want my pictures in your offices. Just like the people will show Buhari picture and vice president picture, or the whole Buhari picture. Or put the governor of the state picture and those kind of things. So you can see, I really do not want my pictures in your offices. For the president is not an icon or an idol. Hang your children's photos instead and look at them each time you are making a decision. Wow. Big talk. Very smart talk. Ukraine. Nice talk. I got a news from Ukraine one day. Now, person tell me I post something. But me no verse. If you watch this video, now no verse, I don't make shout out to your name. But in case next time, I won't mistake. I don't already edit the video finish. Before I can remember who made this news again. If they happen like they don't see that Oba video where I first talk that time where I say Oba were born 4 children. Now one of my guys first give me the news. The guy did Ghana. So in case you not get the news, one I just put on. So they send me the news. Also send me your Instagram handle so that I'll make shout out to you. Then I'll write your Instagram handle for the screen. God bless you, everybody. So what are the next news? I don't need to waste time for Barcelona. I don't see Messi don't come off for backup. Messi burst into tears yesterday. We say they do the last conference meeting. So any ball we backup play now, he no play. So they say this is really difficult. He said this is really difficult for me after so many years. Messi breaks down in tears as he bids farewell to Barcelona in emotional press conference. That's very, very good one from him. The club will miss him. I will miss him too because now one of my greatest players who I know for them.
Challenge for you. If you subscribe to Facts Junkie and hit the bell icon in the next 5 seconds, you'll win 10 years of incredible luck. Give it a shot. It actually works.
About this news, we see they come from DINO MILAYE. Yes, they tell you, they hear that also. Is there because people do the post here HUSHPUPPI picture. Anybody who see they related to HUSHPUPPI before, people will post their picture. You listen to the come outside for internet now, like internet na place where we see now one kind of society where we see the internet not get memory, they forget. So that means they tell now anything they do with concern internet, think twice, think 3 times before you do. But the judge knows they didn't rely na old time man, they fear anything. You see, there was never a time I asked people not to post my pictures with HUSHPUPPI or anyone for that matter because there is no reason to. I'm a political celebrity. Please continue posting Jerry. Waiting bird chop. Now him he go carry fly. Sardine MILAYE. Wow. Brave talk. They fear you. Do your mind. I demand they let you know so. This one now they come from they say suspected ritualist, including 2 symbols, arrested for killing man and selling his heart for 15,000 naira. Hey, God. Which can hunger be down? A beggar wey dey beg money for street every day, they get past 15,000 naira. You don't need to tell me, I know. I won't say much on that, but we should be wise and we should be careful. When by mother, they will not be about they careful, but more they prayerful because now God they help person too. So this news they come from about one wicked woman. These 2 wicked people, now I just will talk down. So I don't talk about one wicked one, but was one we will sell heart of 15k. Then this wicked woman, so did she do? They say single mom of 2 arrested for pouring hot water on woman who accused her of dating her husband. A 37-year-old woman, single mom of 2, Joy Sunday, has been arrested by men of Ogun State Police Command for pouring hot water on the face of another woman, Justina Ame, who accused her of sleeping with her husband. This story entire apart. Me they can't go court go judge because even me I know if you judge. I want to say how you tell no if you date your husband. I must talk see you overreact even if they date your husband. So you just leave your comment below. I don't have much to talk about that. I dey always talk internet no get memory. See, internet no dey forget. They no dey forget. Another word. Yesterday na Sunday, They carry new housemate come baby Nigeria. This one of my last news of today, yes. And this one I want to wrap up. They carried 4 new housemates. They evicted 3. We will say 3. They never edit 3 posts of baby Nigeria. Highest really they evict now 2. So this girl, what they call GMK, she one of the hottest girl, or man, I just put her like that. Well, not you understand. When you enter the baby Nigeria, people don't really dig all the things, all this poor she talk for within this time. So it is one thing she talk about whiskey, she talk about Erica, who will be former baby Nigeria. She talk about she talk about Lekon, who will be former baby Nigeria. Man, not talk too much. When you talk about whiskey, say, I guess whiskey is still a kid after all, childish, pompous, and irresponsible. Is that true? So she got to talk. She talked this one about Erica. I say Erica should better fire her stylist. That picture is very upsetting. That's very upsetting. That's so. Boju don't do this thing before. They can go. They did Boju on picture. He since we comment. Now later come they say Boju self they sing that. They always say never blow. Let's be wise. So what this guy, this JMK talk about Thatcher. I say she Thatcher Koloshi school near be waiting. Tori koye me or Haba. She's speaking Yoruba, but she's trying to say Tasha not go school. Maybe she go school. She's like mocking Tasha. That's what she said about Lekon. She said Lekon na hypocrite. Shall last. He wishes it was him instead. Best bet. Maybe when Kidwaya and Lekon, Kidwaya and Erica come the dates for people in Nigeria Pepe gang of last year. Let's say that people call this. So this girl suggest say the team paying Lekon because Lekon and Erica never they gave them before. But that aside, I just want to say welcome to the last news of today. I'm really tired, man. I'm tired. I don't want to say much, but I just want to say thank you for watching my video up to this time. Make sure you subscribe to this video, turn on your post notification bell to get more uploads from me. Yes, try and like this video, try and share this video to our social media platform to welcome more people. Yes, like hopefully by God's grace I may be doing giveaways soon, but I just did try to strategize and I want strategize on. So thank you my guys. God bless you and have a nice day.